Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check blocked accounts on Pinterest, and here's how it is done. To block an account on Pinterest, start by opening the app. Find the image or video associated with the account you want to block. Then tap on the profile link. To block the account, tap the three dots and select block, and then confirm by tapping block again. Once blocked, the account won't be able to message you or view your pins and boards. To manage your blocked accounts, tap on Save at the bottom right. Then tap on your profile icon, followed by the gear icon at the top right. Go to Social Permissions and Activity, then select Message Settings. At the bottom of this page, you'll find Block Accounts, which shows people or businesses you have blocked. However, Pinterest does not provide a comprehensive list of all blocked accounts. Unlike most other social media platforms, Pinterest requires you to manually visit the profile of each blocked users to unblock them. If you forget a username or can't find the profile, there is no way to view a complete list of blocked accounts. This is a limitation specific to Pinterest. And that is everything you need to know about how to check blocked accounts on Pinterest. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.